Yeah, welcome everybody. Today I'm gonna show you a project that I've been working on for the last couple months. I bought this nice HPI Mustang RTR drift car. The original reason I bought it was because I wanted to have fun, but then something came up and I was like, it wouldn't be great to convert this into a gimbal or stabilized car for the camera. Interesting. So I started working on it, and I'm gonna show you what I have so far. Before this video ends, please hit the subscribe button. I will greatly appreciate it. It's gonna help me a lot. I'm almost 1,000 subscribers already, so I would love to get 1,000 finally. So yeah, hit the subscribe button. I will appreciate it. This is a totally original design. It's totally mine from the top of my head, just, you know, trying stuff. All the parts that I'm gonna show you are made, are 3D printed, and I have a few filaments, one of them being flexible to create some of the parts that I'm gonna show you. Yeah, let's take the cover off, and this is the car. It's gonna be difficult to see because everything is black, but the parts that I've made so far are this part right here. It looks like a roll cage, and the supports in the middle. These are two parts, exactly the same parts twice, and this is PLA, what is called PLA in the 3D world, 3D printer world. This material is PLA. It's strong, it's hard, it's pretty sturdy. I have it wrapped with zip ties. Why? Because I don't want it to be permanently in the car. That way I can take it off anytime I want. And yeah, this is the car. It's supposed to be a drift car, so it drifts. There's a part that goes in the front of the car to support the gimbal. These are the parts. All right, there's two pieces. These two pieces are the support for the gimbal. It goes like this. It's split in half because originally it was a full solid piece, but when I was testing the whole thing, I was catching a lot of vibration. So I decided to put a damper between these two pieces. All right, and that part is this. This is what I came up with. It's like a little damper. This is version 2. Actually, I'm gonna test it today. The one that goes between these two parts, all right, goes like that. This damper, I made it for the middle, for that the base of the gimbal. It's pretty soft, all right. So it should work, I hope. We're gonna find out today. So yeah, I'm gonna put it together, and I'm gonna show you after I'm done some footage and see if it works. Okay, we're gonna glue the small damper, okay, to the support. So we're gonna use Loctite super glue. This is a gel glue. It's really good for 3D printed stuff. It bonds really well, really strong. So we're gonna use it to glue this thing. Alright. for 30 seconds. Son of a bitch, don't move. Alright, first part is there. Now we're gonna, it's a little bit crooked, but don't worry about that. I'm not worried. This is, like I said, this is the first version of this whole support. I'm planning on doing a revised version later. I just want to know if this one really works. Alright, now it's better. Alright, so that was part one. Now we're gonna work on the base plate. This one supposed to go right like this. All right, we're not gonna glue it. We're gonna put it with double-sided tape. This is a very good one. We're gonna put some tape on it and then put it back. And we put it here. I think it's in the middle. Let's hope it is. Let's put the other part is stick on a GoPro mount and put this part in the front and then the gimbal and see what happens. This is the gimbal, right? This is the gimbal used for phones or maybe a GoPro. Pretty good. Love how it works. And this is the GoPro mount. All right. It's gonna go right here. Put some tape on it. Now, pretty strong. All right. Now this part goes right here. It has some double-sided tape too. Now, take our gimbal. Put it in place. You see this? This is what I was looking for. This movement, this play. As long as it has that kind of play, I think it's gonna work. Let's try it. Let's record something and see the footage. I'm liking the way it's looking. Okay, this worked. there was some improvement. It was not perfect. This is the first part of this build. Let's just say that. As you saw on the test videos, I recorded first with my phone, with the phone. This is a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and my GoPro 5. And yeah, you're gonna see the difference. I am not done with this. I want to find out all the bugs that are affecting the shaky camera. Right now it's like this. It's in this position. Maybe I do something to keep it, you know, parallel to the car, not in a 45 angle. So that might help, maybe not. But yeah, I'm gonna try it later when I find out all the problems with this one. I might do something better, maybe with a monster truck and my bigger gimbal. This is a small one. This is for the phones. This one is the one for the camera, for the DSLR. It's a very good gimbal, but it's heavy. So on this car, I don't think it's gonna be a good idea. It's too heavy. So I might get a monster truck maybe later, and when I find out how to do it on this one, then I transfer everything to the monster truck. But yeah, that's all for today. Stay tuned for more updates on this thing. Sooner or later it's gonna work. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you guys on the next one. Take care.